For today's video, I'm going to be putting together this bird feeder from the Dollar Tree. It comes with all the pieces that you need, as well as the glue, I think. And here are the directions for how to put it together. As far as it shows here, it has the hook and the little hanging cord. So I'm going to paint this. I'm going to paint all the little pieces, and then I'm going to put it together. So we have the base, and then the 4 sides, and then the roof, and the little stem that's going to hold the roof up. And I've chosen some colors to paint with. I'm going to use this yellow here. I'm going to keep this one plain because that's where the food is going to sit, but these will be painted yellow on the inside. And let's see, I have these paint colors over here. I think I'm gonna go with this color, and then I'm gonna use a different color for the little stem, and that will be this one. I'll start by painting the pieces the yellow. And just to protect, I'm going to put one glove on. I'll choose this paintbrush to start with, and I have my little cup of water right here, just in case. Whoops, that came out too fast. Okay, now we'll begin. All right, it's all set. I can just pour this back in. And now I'm going to take another brush to paint this blue with this one. And the paint colors are, this yellow is lemon zest, And this blue is Blue Lagoon. I'm gonna let those pieces dry, and then I'll come back and paint with the other color, which is called Waterfront. This is my favorite color. Now that everything is dry, I'm just going to get to gluing everything together. And this is the glue that it came with. I did a little test on the paper and it's not sticky. So I'm not even going to bother with this because it's going to be just frustrating. Instead, I'm going to use my hot glue gun. Don't need this. And I'm going to take these off of the paper now. Now I'm just going to glue this part to the middle. And then I'll glue these pieces together like this on here. And to reinforce it, I'm just going to lay a bit of glue down here. And before that fully dries, I'm going to try to put this little thing in here too. I'm just going to go back and touch it up with a little bit of paint because some of these edges are showing and I just want everything to be the same color. So I'm going to do that and probably pick off a little bit of this dried glue. I just don't want to see those.
the first time you made a bird feeder?